Hey folks, let's check your guidance from Lord Shiva. Okay, so pile 1 is red jasper, pile 2 is angelite, and pile 3 is rose quartz. Okay, the timestamps are given in the description column below. Choose a pile which calls out to you intuitively. If you feel like two piles are calling out to you, check the other one as well. You might have a hidden message there. And yeah, pause the video and choose your pile. Thank you. Hey pile 1, if you have chosen this amazing red jasper, okay, so this is your reading. I have pulled out cards from Rider-Waite Tarot decks and Osho Zen. So, guidance from Lord Shiva. Okay, so right now you're kind of worried or anxious about what your future holds, or there is some burden over you. You're thinking about how it's gonna happen, what will be, and I have a lot of responsibilities. I have to do this, I have to do that, and question marks, a lot of question marks. So, Lord Shiva assures you that there is something. Page of Pentacles here, it says like there is something waiting for you totally. Okay, so it is gonna bring a lot of success in your life, in your family, and everything. Okay, I feel like someone is gonna come in your life who is gonna support you a lot. Okay, this might also mean that you already have that individual. I feel mostly some of you guys have a really amazing mother who guides them and supports them, and Lord Shiva says make sure you listen to her the most. Okay, mother or your wife. And seeing this, I feel like your future is gonna be amazing because we have 10 of Pentacles in the middle. It says like something really great is gonna happen, and as we have intensity over here, it says that you're working hard, you have a lot of burden, and you have a lot of responsibilities, and you are really not sure about how it's gonna be. So make sure that energy of frustration you use it into something really in an efficient way. Okay, use that energy in an efficient way rather than uh, vibrating low. Okay, let your frequency be high through this energy. Okay, so make sure you have this intensity, you already have this power, this energy, that urge to do well. So do not think negative, have this confidence, as the red jasper also speaks about self-esteem, encouragement, and confidence. So do that. And the next is we have I pulled out from the angels card, guidance from Lord Shiva. So you were drawn to this, which goes perfectly with your reading. That is self confidence through God's confidence. Okay, believe in yourself by believing in God working through you. Okay, so this is amazing, this is great. As I said before, that uh, have this confidence. Do not feel like how will it happen, how would you be able to do it. Okay, so Lord Shiva assures that have this faith, have this energy, and use it into an efficient way. Build that intensity that you can do it, because from your yogic path oracle deck you have drawn to Brahma, which also like symbolizes something like the creator. Okay, so it's like you can create anything, you can do it. So it is like a lot of assurance Lord Shiva has given you. So we'll just keep this over here. And the next is I asked the cards which chakra should you take care of, which chakra should you focus on. And we have the Manipura. Manipura is the chakra that you need to focus on, that is solar plexus, that you need to have faith, you need to know that which doesn't serve you, you must let go, raise your vibration, move forward. And yeah, Manipura is like walking away from something which doesn't serve you. So do that. Okay, and I feel like some of you guys who are watching this video might be thinking of confessing something to someone. So Lord Shiva assures that you can do it, just do it. Okay, So this is a collective general reading. People have different issues. It might be career, health, or starting a new venture, or confessing your feelings to someone. So Lord Shiva, all in all, assures you that you have that power, you have that energy, you have that aura. You can create the life you want into existence. Okay, so it's like Lord Shiva says that come on, do it. I'm with you. Okay, build that confidence. Uh, s- uh, do not think otherwise. Okay, and then I asked Lord Shiva, what is the recent future of yours is gonna be? So we have this 22 doorways. It's like choice. You have to make a choice. There is something that you need to sacrifice to have a better life. So it's like this goes totally with the Manipura, that you really want that life and you have been thinking about it, but somewhere you are holding back because you feel like you might have to sacrifice something to go with the other option. So even if you want to change your career path right away, right now, so Lord Shiva shows that do it. You have to make a choice. Whatever you're gonna invest your energy and intensity in, it is gonna rock. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. And the next, I pulled out a card from the Monology deck, and we totally have step out of your comfort zone. Come on. So this is also is like Lord Shiva says, take your risks. Don't don't go back. Move forward, because you can create the life you want into existence. As I said before, like you can do it. You have this aura, you have that power, you have that energy, because Lord Shiva says, I am giving you that energy. Come on, just do it. Know that I'm working through you, through your self confidence, to so build that self confidence. Okay, guys. So pile one, this was your reading. Okay, so we're gonna pull out some charms as well. Wait a minute. Yes, so pile one, we are gonna take out some charms and see what is the guidance from Lord Shiva for you. And we have a tree, a dragonfly. Okay, this is beautiful. A tree. Like growth is highlighted, guys. The growth is highlighted over here. And then we have dragonfly, which also highlights transformation, new change, coming out of the comfort zone that we got already. And then we have the queen again. So it's like the empress card came up, and the queen we have. So it also, I don't know why, seeing this I feel like you should listen to your mother the most right now, because there is something, uh, I don't know, some female figure who you respect the most in your life, who is close to you. Not only your mother, like anyone who you admire the most, who listens to you. She has really great insights, and it's better if you share it with them. Lord Shiva shows. Okay, and this queen also, I feel like you're gonna live a life everyone would admire. So this is an assurance as well. And then we have this angel. Okay, wow, we have this angel charm. So it also says that you are surrounded by angels, you're surrounded by your spirit team, the universe is guiding you, Lord Shiva is always with you. So this is beautiful. These were your charms. Yeah, okay, so next we're gonna see alphabets. Okay, yeah, help me guys with this. You guys need to help me with this. Okay, I'm really bad at this shit. So we have P, we have N, we have H, we have R, we have C, we have Q. Okay. Mm, this is X. This is H again. We have D. We have H again. Okay, we have M. We have I. So I'm seeing this MID mid. So you are in between something. As I said, we have this card, right? You have to make a choice between the board. So you have been, this is a general reading. Take what resonates, guys. You have to make a choice. Okay. So and then we have RICH rich. This is beautiful, guys. This is like totally nice. Okay, So it is like you're gonna be really rich. So if you are gonna act upon your plans, your ideas, and go forward with the energy that you have inside you and use it efficiently, you're gonna be amazingly rich. Okay, this is an assurance again from Lord Shiva. Anything else if I'm seeing? I don't know, I feel like Mike. Okay, so it's like you're gonna bring a lot of inspiration and encouragement to people in your life. So yes, this is what I'm getting. Maybe your words are really effective to some people in your life. So yeah, that is great. Anything else? Mm, Okay, so I feel like guys, please do help me in the comment section below. Came up with 3 words, and it will be helpful if you do the same. Help me with the words more and more, so that you could help other people as well who have chosen pile one. So thank you so much, guys. Okay, yes. Hey folks, now let's just take up for pile one. We'll take a number, an angel number. What is it gonna be? I'm gonna close my eyes and choose one. We have 10. Wow, this is amazing, guys, because you have got the 10 of Pentacles here, if I am not wrong. Yeah, yes. So it totally gives an assurance that a completion is gonna be like you are gonna have a big change, like something is gonna end and the doorway is gonna open, new life, something new beginning, a completion is highlighted. Okay, so I feel like your karmic lessons are gonna get over and a new beginning is just around the corner. Okay, this is amazing, guys. So pile one, please do like, comment, share and subscribe if you like the video, and let me know in the comment section below if you come up with more words for pile 1, and thank you so much, guys. Bye. Hey pile 2, I love you guys. Do not question that if anyone ever loves you or not. Okay, and you need to calm down. Okay, guys. So pile 2, if you have chosen this angelite, this is amazing, this is beautiful. I feel like your angels are surrounded. Okay, so this is great. You are protected, but we have this receptivity over here, which says that you have been overwhelmed with a lot of emotions right now, and it's like I feel a lot of negative vibes while doing this reading. A lot of attacks I could see. It's like every aspect of your life you are just unsure about, you have no idea, and you're just fighting with every individual coming your way. Okay, so these are the, you have to heal those traumas, and you people need a lot of healing. I could see a lot of stubbornness for some people who are watching this video. Pile 2, this is a general collective reading, take what resonates. So Lord Shiva says that I am near you. I want to convey something really beautiful about your life, but you are so much busy in focusing upon the negative aspects of your life. So this is what I'm coming. This is what is, I feel like this is really um this is really bad, because I feel like you are so much involved with the negative aspects of your life that you are not able to move on. Like your life over there is really beautiful. Look, I'm gonna pull out a card for you. Like, if you let all those negativity get away from your life, let's just check what is gonna come here. Okay, we have, because you're leaving all those negative aspects, and the chariot is a movement. So moving from negativity, what is gonna happen in your life? And I also feel like some of you guys are under some control issues over here. Okay, so make sure you have control over your own life. Okay, so do not feel like you are under, like, a lot of stuff is happening. You are not loving yourself also. I'm seeing this, a lot of negative thoughts, hatred, stubbornness, fighting issues, aggressiveness, sensitive. A lot of people are very sensitive to people's judgments. Okay, you have judgment issues as well. This is a general reading, take what resonates. And fear about your future, you're anxious. And stress, obviously it's highlighted. And some of you guys who are watching this video are already going in the zone of depression, or you might already be in a depression stage. But a lot of sadness right now. So Lord Shiva is like, there is something really great coming in your future. I'll just pull out a card. What good thing is gonna happen? The pile 2, if they move out from the negativity, heal their traumas and focus upon good side of life, and come out of the negativity, focus upon good self, and loving their own self. Like, what are we getting? Pile 2, what will happen if they come out? Okay, some of you guys are already isolated. Okay, some of you guys are isolated as of now, or hibernating yourself, not hanging out or socializing much, just staying in their bed and feeling so bored and stuff like that. So we have 2 of Cups here. Okay, wow. So it's like, some of you guys who are watching this video have love issues. Okay, so we have 2 of Cups here, and Ace of Pentacles is the card energy, deck energy. So I feel like, people who are stuck in love issues are asked, let go of the relationship which does not serve you and making you feel like, oh my god, this is bullshit. But I can't move on. Okay, you have to, baby. You have to move on, because this is only pulling you down. These are not my words, these are Lord Shiva's words. Okay, so it's like a new Ace of Pentacles also highlights new opportunity, new beginnings, new stuff coming in your life. So if you, I want to say this to pile 2, only if you start loving yourself, only if your cup is filled with love, only then you can give people the love. Okay, it's like you all are giving I mean, you guys are expecting the cup of love by someone else, but you are not loving yourself. It's like when 2 people have this cup fulfilled and then they come towards each other, sharing that cup of love. This is gonna be beautiful. But if this cup is empty and even this cup is empty, only fights. There is nothing which is gonna happen. And if one cup is fulfilled and the other cup is down, it's empty, he or she is just gonna pour until they become empty and they walk out. So this is also gonna feel bad. And the same thing, guys who are already in a high frequency, happy, and but they are thinking of that he or she might change the individual, like they have been hurt, this B person has been hurt and they could change them by giving them the love. No, they're just gonna walk away after they get all the love, and you be empty and you don't have anything to offer them. So guys, I hope you're understanding my point. Okay, so it's better there is a balance between both. Okay, so a lot of negative stuff I'm feeling. You guys need to shower. Some people are not showering as well. You people are not bathing, and you have to let the water absorb your negativity. Okay, so, and some of you guys are not combing their hair. You should. And take what resonates as a general collective reading. So Lord Shiva assures that only if you let that negativity shit holding back in your life, let go of that, only then you would receive my love, my affection, my words, like my message, my guidance. If you keep on focusing upon the low vibrational energies in your life, you're gonna get nothing, guys. You're gonna only, if you focus yourself into something, you'll obviously get that thing only. You're gonna water the plants of weeds rather than sunflower. Okay, depends upon your energy, depends upon the water, where you wanna efficiently use your energy. If you're gonna grow, pour water into weeds, you're gonna get that. If you pour the water in sunflower, you're gonna get happiness. So yeah. And some of you guys, I don't know, this came up, just came up. Some of you guys have addiction problems regarding something. You need to solve this shit. So I have pulled from the angel cards, Dorian Virtues angel cards. We've got clearing negativity, release negativity from within or around you. Okay, you guys need to move out, go out, travel, connect to the nature more. Okay, so the next is we have got asana from the yogic path oracle deck. So as I'm seeing asana, I feel like you need to relax yourself, relax your mind, relax your body, relax your spirit, because only if you relax as in not just laying in your bed, guys, peacefully relaxation. Only if you treat yourself, relax yourself, you'll know where to invest your energy, which is running through your bodily movement. So this is what I'm getting. And then I asked which chakra do you need to focus on. Definitely it's Muladhara. Definitely it's root chakra, because you are anxious, you have this fear, okay, regarding some situations and feeling a lot negative. Only if your root chakra opens, the activation of Kundalini starts. Okay, so definitely your root chakra is blocked. So you need to clear that shit. And the next we have, I asked the cards, what is coming in the future next. I asked Lord Shiva that, and we have mountains. So I feel like as you're gonna move out from a situation, there will be obstacle. You'll not be able to come out of your comfort zone, but you need to move. Okay, you need to let that mountain, you need to pass that mountain, you need to break that mountain, you need to break that obstacle. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. And the next I pulled out from the Monology deck, and we have got bring love into the situation. I don't know, seeing this card, I only feel like you need to bring love to yourself. Look at how this lady is offering herself. And I have told you guys, no, some of you guys aren't, taking showers, so better do that and bring love into the situation, guys. So pile 2, this was your reading. Now let's check your charms, angel numbers and some alphabets. Yeah, pile 2. Now let's check your charms, guidance from Lord Shiva for pile 2. Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. We have 2 angels over here. I feel like this angels, I feel like ancestors mostly. It's like, your ancestors are guiding you. This is beautiful. Okay. Yes, so we've got 2 angels, and then we have Lily here. I don't know why. Seeing this Lily, I feel like you need to love yourself. Okay. You need to love yourself. And then we have a seahorse here. Seahorse symbolizes knowing every individual's perspective before acting upon anything. So I feel like some of you guys were, in a really negative situations, are fighting a lot, and you're thinking like no one understands you, but you are asked to not let your mind manipulate you, but look into the perspective of other people and then judge. Okay, it's like look at your own perspective and look at other people's perspectives, and then yeah, just think before you act, guys. And then we have this tree over here, which is stopped. I don't know why. I feel like somewhere you're not letting the growth, you are resisting the change, resisting the growth. So it's like you need to let the tree grow, you need to let your soul grow, you need to let yourself grow, and for that you need to stop resisting the change coming your way. Sometimes you need to let go of some shit, you need to heal, and only then you could prosper. Okay, and then we have the sleeve. It also means, like, it also symbolizes renewal, revival, new birth, so rebirth. So definitely after you heal, as we have this Ace of Pentacles, You're gonna rock the world, new you. So yeah, so these were your charms. These were your charms, and now we're gonna look into the alphabets. Okay, I don't know why seeing the C, it's like see through other people as well, see through you. We have CZ. Okay. A lot of letters. We have M, N, wait up. Help me guys with this. I'm really not good at this shit. AC. Z, M. We have another M. We have an H. H again, and then Y. V. X. R. A lot of words, still can't make one. A lot of letters. Y again. E. Okay, we have A and E, so I feel like I could do it. We have another H again. And then this is Z, or we could take it as no Z. I feel like Z. And M. We have J. Guys, T. I. Okay, so looking at these letters, I feel like a lot of emotions, a lot of situations going inside your head. So this is D and D again. Okay. So now let's just make some words. What can I make? We have R, A, C, and E. You're in a race. Don't be. Okay, you need to calm down. You're in a race, you need to calm down. Everything is gonna be all right. Okay. So, and the next we have is, we have M, I, we have MID. You're in the middle of something, you need to solve it, you need to choose one thing. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my god. And the next one we have is E. A lot of words, still can't make one. We have D, R, E, A, M. Dream. This is beautiful. Like dream, your dream is gonna be fulfilled. So, but you guys, I feel like some of you guys who are watching this video, they feel like dream is better than reality right now, the current situation. So let me tell you this, Lord Shiva tells you, Lord Shiva guides you that one day your dream is gonna come true. Reality will be much more better than your dreams, and you'll pinch yourself hard the next day that, oh my god, did this happen with me? I'm so happy, I'm so lucky. Have faith, guys. Faith is important. And then anything else we have E. We have mind. I guess. Oh no. Okay, but I thought of this as mind. So mind, yes, it is mind. Don't let your mind manipulate you. So I have come up with some 3 to 4 words. I want you guys to help me, and you will help people who chose pile 2 as well. Okay, we have H, O, we have, oh no, okay. So, yeah guys, help me, okay. Thank you so much guys. Help me in the comment section below, please. So next pile 2, let's check your angel number. What are you gonna get? I'm gonna check your angel number. I'm gonna close my eyes and choose one. Oh, we have 2. 2 actually says have faith, have faith, trust God. So it's like totally Lord Shiva says, have faith in me and you're gonna be really abundant in your life if you have faith, trust me. So this is beautiful, pile 2. This was your reading. Please do let me know if you like the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be grateful if you do so. Thank you so much, pile 2. Hey pile 3, if you have chosen this amazing rose quartz, oh my god, this pile, I am already loving it. I am loving it. Okay, so guys, Lord Shiva, right now, if you're watching this video, I am dead sure right now behind you, Lord Shiva is watching you. Okay, it's like until now, whatever happened in your life, whatever situation you have been through, Lord Shiva was by your side, and it happened as per his plan. You were made in his likeness, you were made in his image, you were like, you are one of his favorite. I don't know, maybe because of some stuff that you do or something, some light, some hope, some radiation, some power that you enlighten people with your energy, with your creativity, with your love, with your gentle nature, with your kindness, anything. I'm getting this. And people who are watching this video are really amazing in giving advices. Amazing. And this is great. So as I'm seeing the source card here, it feels like you are directly connected to God. You are totally connected to Lord Shiva. I don't know, you guys might pray a lot, or you guys believe in God, and you guys have this thing that I want to do good and good things will come back to me. You guys are a lot beautiful. You guys are really kind, genuine, gentle, loyal, pretty much every good things. And I feel like in the future a lot of traveling is happening. However, Lord Shiva is like, I don't want to guide you guys, you are already connected to me. If I want to guide them, I'll do it directly. You don't have to make a video for pile 3. It's like Lord Shiva is sitting right here and he's saying this. Okay, yes, I'm sorry. So it's like Lord Shiva is sitting and like, I don't want to, you don't have to guide them, they already have me. So this is a blessing, guys. And I feel like some of you guys who are watching this video take this as a general collective reading. Some of you guys who are watching this video are already in a spiritual path or going through an awakening period, connecting to the God self, connecting to enlightenment. Some of you guys are light workers doing some healing works, and you guys are in a spiritual path. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. And I feel like you guys are always surrounded by abundance. It's like abundance is always present. One thing I like about you guys is, when what your intuition guides, when is your mind manipulating, like I don't know, you guys are really alert and vigilant. Even if someone lies to you on your face, you totally know what is going on with that person. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. This is amazing, pile 3. I already love you. I really want to know who chose pile 3. Let me know in the comment section below, because this is such a beautiful reading. And this power, this grace, this blessings, this aura, this authenticity that you carry is what is lovable for Lord Shiva. And I don't know why Lord Shiva, and also I feel like Lord Krishna, some of you guys watching this video are connected to Lord Krishna or Lord Vishnu, and it's like I am doing a video on guidance from Lord Shiva, but somewhere I feel like Lord Krishna is coming in between and he's guiding you as well. A lot of you guys are already in a spiritual path. This is beautiful, because I pulled a card from the Crystal Angels deck from Doreen Virtue, and You were drawn to spiritual path. This is beautiful. Your true beliefs are becoming clearer to you, which prompts you to make necessary life changes. So I feel like you already know what to do with your life, how to go by, and if you have a plan, you know that yes, I will do it, I can do it, and I know how to go by. So this is beautiful, and now you're really, analyzing what to do first and what not to, how to start, how to move, how to act, and this is happening. This is really happening, guys, because we literally have abundance card over here. So this is happening, and I pulled out a card from the yogic path oracle deck, and we have God Lord Shiva. He himself is here with you guys. So it's like, I told you, right? Like, Lord Shiva is like, you don't have to guide them, Anisha, you don't have to guide them. They already know. They are mine. They are already connected to me. They know what I want to guide them. It's this is beautiful. Pile 3. This is amazing. And then I asked which chakra you need to focus on, and we have this Ajna third eye chakra. I feel like some of you guys who are watching this video are literally opening up their third eye chakra, and I don't know, this message is coming through that some of you guys might have really dreams coming up in the future, or already are getting some dreams which carry some message, some enlightenment, some messages coming through your dreams. So make sure you write, have a journal of dreams, write a journal of dreams, whatever dreams you get, because some puzzle, some mystery, some answers you're gonna get through that dreams. Okay, so we have Ajna third eye chakra. You need to focus on that, and somehow it's already opened. So, and this totally goes, Lord Shiva with third eye chakra. You getting my point, right? So he already has this third eye on his forehead, and it's like, I am they are connected to me, they know me very well, I know them very well. Ask them to open their third eye chakra, that's it. Ask them to listen to their intuition the most. Ask them that they, whatever they are guiding themselves with, whatever guidance comes from within, it's like I am guiding them. Let them focus on their third eye chakra the most, because each and every path, each and every way, I am always with them. And as I am telling you this, I am seeing 444. It's definitely amazing, because this is great. This is great. Okay, so you right now, if you're watching pile 3, I assure you Lord Shiva, I'm sorry, Lord Shiva is definitely watching you. And then I asked Lord Shiva, what is the recent future, what is gonna happen. Okay, so we pulled out this card. This is like a bridge, 38 bridge. There is something, some destination that you're gonna go by. It's like just a little moment. Just be a little patient. It's you just gonna reach there, guys. It's just a little bit, and the destination arrives. You have been through a lot of shit in the past, and you have overcome that and making your way to another beautiful world, the bridge between the bad and the good. You are just there, and you're gonna reach your destination. So believe me, you will do it. And then we have, I pulled out card from Monology. We got two cards, and we have, first one is you are good enough. You totally are good enough. Lord Shiva loves you, guys. He loves you. He adores you. He admires you. Amazing. I don't know. Buddha is also coming in my mind. It's like Buddha is also helping you guys in attaining your spirituality, awakening, and power and surrender as well. So, the next card that you were drawn to from the Monology deck was you are very close to achieving your goal. I said you, right, with the bridge over here, it's like a little bit there. You're almost there. Have some patience, and you're gonna reach the destination. So you are very close to achieving your goal. Pile 3, this was such a beautiful reading, guys. Now let's check some charms, angel numbers, and alphabets for you through Lord Shiva. So hey pile 3, now let's check your charms, guidance from Lord Shiva. Wow. So we have a lizard, and it is like, prosperity, Lakshmi coming in, Lord. Wow. So God is Lakshmi coming in. We have an owl over here, wisdom, knowledge, everything is flowing, enlightenment. We have sunflower. This is definitely amazing. Happiness coming your way. We have tree, which symbolizes growth, and you are asked to ground yourself as well. Connect to the nature, ground yourself as much as you can. And we have mushroom, which also indicates rapid growth. Okay, and then we have a pentacle over here. It's like money coming your way. So money movement, wisdom, knowledge, happiness, everything all together. This is amazing, guys. It's like I told you, right? You guys had abundance card, and it is you are really abundant. You should never doubt. But I also feel like some of you guys who are watching this video are bringing their pride in between. Hold your pride, guys. Stay grounded. Okay. So the next one we have is, okay, we have eyes. I'm really bad at this. You guys need to really help me, okay, in the comment section below. Okay, now let's check. Fuck. We have F. We have A. Facts. I feel like something is coming up. If you're waiting for an application, a reply, or any official letter, it's coming up. We have D. We have I. We have A again. We have B. We have S, T. What is this? This is J. And then we have N. Huh. And we have S again. We have K. We have M. We have I. Okay. So anything else if we could make? Yeah, I could make one. This is S T A N D. Stand! Wow! So, you guys, some of you guys watching this video, Lord Shiva also says there is something that you need to make stand, or that there is something you need to stand upon, stand for yourself. There is something that you need to voice out, do it, okay? So this is a collective general reading, okay? So just take what resonates. And anything else? We are getting kiss over here. Okay, this is beautiful. I feel like some of you guys who are watching this video are gonna really get a kiss right in the future. In the recent future, you're gonna get kissed by someone, or it's just, Lord kissing you or wishing you the best in your life. Okay, so we have mind as well. Okay, so it's like, trust your intuition, and also let your mind be one with the soul. Let your mind be one with the spirit, because sometimes when you listen to your intuition, your mind manipulates you. You need to control your mind to let you need to control your mind. Do not let your mind control you and distract you. Okay, anything else if I'm getting tax. Some of you guys need to file some tax, income tax, some filing is pending. So Lord Shiva reminds you guys, and this is a general reading, guys. I am really bad at this. I need you guys to help me in the comment section below. You are also helping people who chose pile 3. Okay. Anything else if I'm getting? So yeah, let's just. Oh, I saw 444 again. So I really want you guys, to help me with those words in the comment section below, and help me. Okay. So guys, pile 3. Now let's take out an angel number for you guys. What is coming in for you? Okay, this just came. Oh, question mark. A surprise coming in your life. I feel like a big major surprise, big change, some revelation, some surprise, someone is coming in your life. I feel all the love. I feel a new love is coming. I don't know why. It just makes sense. And we have 7 here. Like 7 says that you are already in the right path. Keep moving forward. Lord Shiva loves you. You are in the right path. Just go with it. This is amazing. This is great. So thank you, Pile 3. This was your reading. I had a great time doing your reading, Pile 3. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section below if you really liked it or not. And thank you so much, Pile 3. I love you all.